Hi, it's me again with Redraw tips and tricks. Little short video. When I was loading that part one, I realized I did not round the corners and I wanted to show that off. So if you will grab your six-sided polygon and go to Windows, Dockers, and Corners, and if you round them off 1 inch, then you got a rounded board because you don't want a sharp edge. Now, the other part of the video is about a macro from our friend Eskimo. I stated in that first video that every hole is 0.4. I've used this macro, but just in videos and never really used it in a real job work environment. Let's say the gentleman I'm helping said, well, they need to be 0.4, 4.5 or 5. If you will grab all your circles, put in with margin aspect ratio, so it'd be even, and 0.5, and I have, you can pick right here, and this is from the center, it turned all those circles now into half-inch circles in just a second. I mean, there's no way inside of Corel to do that. I mean, this is the cat's meow, and then you want to save that and have him go take it to his machine and cut it out. I will put a link to this macro at the bottom of the video. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.